Namaskar, good evening, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to the Friday night 9:10 p.m. show only on YouTube. Brought to you by SCDS Global Branding Private Limited and Deep Flow Franchising. Produced by Brand Trigger and Explorer Freight in association with Capital One TV and Cloud Access. Ab Jeeto Bharat Ka Dil with the Great Indian Brand Show with Sudarshan Chetlur. You know, we always think that we're responsible for certain things. Hum aate hain, we have certain things in our mind, we take actions, and after we leave this holy earth and go, the things go with us, right? कि जो हमने किया वो हमारी लाइफ में हुआ, हम चल गए, and then nothing else will happen. But that is where we grossly actually go wrong. What we do leaves ripples in time. And it comes back in ways and methods that you can't even imagine. Let me take you through an example. There were great kings of galore, the Mughal dynasty that came to this country, and all. What's happening to their graves today? Right? That's what I'm talking about. आप जो करते हो, उसकी छाप जो है ना और उसका इफेक्ट आपके ऊपर पड़ता तो है, लेकिन आपके पूरे आजू बाजू सबके ऊपर पड़ता है. And that is what decides whether you will be remembered or not, or whether you will get strong or not. But can you imagine? I'm not talking about philosophy. I'm talking about a person over here who got me to this realization, because he feels that what you do in your business, it leaves ripples across people. Families can get destroyed, families can get made. Aapka business badhega aage, to families ki life badhegi. Because as an entrepreneur, you hire people. Aur aap galat gaye, then the same people will have to lose their jobs. So you're responsible for that as well. Such a wonderful thought behind a business. Can you ever imagine? Do you think this business can never fail? I'm talking about ClicksBazaar Technologies, and the CEO who comes with this thought, Ravi, is with me. Thank you so much, Ravi, for being over here. It's such a pleasure. And when I read through and we spoke about your entire vision, the way you think about how, your success mantra and the way you talk about and your thought process, it enlightened me. Brands are also spiritual. Yeah. So once again, thank you so much for being on this show.
Thank you so much for having me, Sudarshan.
No, it's a pleasure. This show is all about us people, that is the entrepreneur community, because, hiring, आप जब करते हैं, you're feeding 5 families, at an average, 4 to 5. And that is a great blessing. It's not a matter of pride. It's a matter of blessing कि भगवान ने आपको ये मौका दिया. God senses that opportunity and he gave it to you.
Right.
And they thank you at the end of the day. Having 45 people at work and from 20 to 45, I read through the entire story, the struggles, the things, the changes, redo, recreate. So Ravi, how has the journey been so far?
Well, Sudarshan, I cannot complain. That's how it starts. So when you really love what you do, it's never a smooth journey, but when you love what you do, things happen.
Things happen naturally.
Yeah. So I would say I'm really, really blessed, like you said, that we have the opportunity to help not just our team members, but also the clients, the team members of the clients.
Of course, that's what we're here for, helping clients, absolutely.
Yes. So realize ही नहीं होता कि शायद 12 साल हो गए काम करते ऑफिशियली.
Yeah, this brings me to a very wonderful realization. हम बोलते हैं ना, क्लाइंट भगवान होता है. वो भगवान इसलिए नहीं होता कि वो पैसे देता है. वो भगवान इसलिए होता है क्योंकि वो हमें मौका देता है कि साथ में लोग और ज्यादा लोगों के पास पैसे जाएंगे. I think that is where we need to bring the change. Yeah. You said it right. Yeah. When you said this, see, you're emanating so much of positivity, your thought itself.
Yeah, so 12 साल ऑफिशियली कंपनी को हो गए. I started working when I was 16. Yeah. So right now I'm 32. तो प्रैक्टिकली आधी ही जिंदगी मैंने काम करते निकाल दी एंड पता भी नहीं चला. If you say, how's it been? It's been very beautiful. If I look back and look at the impact we have created, the kind of journey we have taken with the companies, this year is a very, very special year for us. This year, 2 of our clients are going from bootstrap stage to SME IPO stage.
Wow.
So we were there right from their packaging stage, like when the brands were being incepted, and right from the inception, right from the thought to taking that journey ki wo ek प्रॉफिटेबल कंपनी बन के इतनी बड़ी हो जाए कि एक SI में IPO कर पाए, बहुत बड़ी बात है शायद।
बहुत बड़ी बात है। And how much time did this take?
Around 5 to 6 years on an
Wow, that is some splendid journey,
Yeah.
you know.
तो 6 साल में एक ऐसे में IPO करना, आई थिंक इट्स अ केस स्टडी इन इटसेल्फ। आई डोंट नो एनीवन जिसने बूटस्ट्रैप ये करा हो अभी तक।
But then bamboo plants are like that.
Yeah, the plans are like
Yeah.
for sure.
Right? Yeah, so viewers, I specifically brought up the bamboo plant thing, you know, because you know why? जब आप bamboo plant लगाते हैं ना, 4 years it doesn't grow at all.
Yeah.
And people who sow that sapling, sometimes they don't know, वो कहते हैं यार ये हो क्या मैं रोज पानी डाल रहा हूँ, ये पौधा बढ़ता ही नहीं है. But in the 5th year, it grows to 60 to 80 feet. You know, right from 2 feet, whatever it was, या 1 feet या 1.5 feet का पौधा सीधा 60-80 feet बढ़ जाता है वो 5th year, 6th year में.
Right.
वो बाकी का टाइम ना जमीन में उतना बढ़ता है जितना उसे ऊपर जाना होता है. So until 4 years, it is growing its roots inside the earth.
Yes.
So 5-6 years, I would say a bamboo case study. Probably that's a wonderful
That's a new
thing for
name.
you to write about. But then you started working in school, you know.
Yeah, so it all started with a dream. मतलब, I belong to a very middle class family.
We all do.
Yeah. So I think आग भी उन्हीं को लगी होती है करने के लिए, जो who are well off, उनको जरूरत ही क्या है?
नहीं, जिसको करना है उसको आग लगी, वो कहाँ से आ रहा है उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है.
Right.
You know?
तो
उसको करना है उससे करना है बस.
बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हो. तो my mom, so we used to live in a very small house, like 450 square feet house, and मेरी माँ का एक सपना था कि हमारा एक बड़ा घर हो. And बस उस सपने को पूरा करना था. मैं कहा जल्दी करते हैं, तो क्या करें, काम शुरू करते हैं. And that is how I started. I thought कि कुछ करते हैं. And school में I think पॉकेट मनी से एक ही चीज़ स्टार्ट हो सकती है, वेबसाइट. एक डोमेन लिए एक होस्टिंग की वेबसाइट स्टार्ट होगी. And that is how we started with the idea of कि कुछ बड़ा करते हैं लाइफ में. Eventually I started learning everything while I was in school, and I started a blog which became the biggest ethical hacking blog of the country.
Yeah.
So we used to get millions of visitors while I was in school, and eventually we learned to monetize it. And धीरे धीरे ना जब आप कुछ अलग करते हो, छोटी उम्र में कुछ अलग करते हो, तो आपके आसपास के लोगों को दिखता है कि
It is the way the things are happening. ये हो क्या रहा है, you know? Yeah.
कि ये लड़का कुछ अलग कर रहा है, क्या करता है? तो उन्होंने क्या करता है? मैं डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करता हूँ. कहते हैं हमारे लिए कर देगा. मैं को मुझे वैसे ही अच्छा लगता है करना, बिल्कुल कर दूंगा, why not? और अगर आपको आपका पैशन परस्यू करने के लिए someone is paying you,
Yeah.
what beautiful thing can happen?
Believe me, people used to tell me, यार कि भाई कितना struggle किया होगा, because you know I'm a professional musician as well, and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
you know studied art and a brand building consultant and all.
Right.
But I always say God has been very kind.
Yeah.
मेरी दोनों hobbies को मेरा profession बनाया है.
Right? इससे अच्छा कुछ हो ही नहीं
So
सकता.
that is why when people say यार कुछ आज 30 घंटे से सोया नहीं है, अरे यार.
Like today,
Yeah, absolutely.
we were talking at I think 4 a.m.
4 a.m. in the morning.
Both of us. I was working, you were
Yeah,
playing for
and
the
I was
show.
just going to, okay, this is what is going to happen.
Right. So,
Yeah.
तो basically लोगों ने देखा कुछ अलग करता है. They started approaching कि will you do it for us? I said why not? तो धीरे धीरे, good thing is my mom always or my parents always told me कि be ethical in what you do. तो ना ethics and moral values बचपन से इतने अच्छे से दिए थे कि whenever client came, ये कर दोगे तो
They are the nutrients and proteins and minerals for a healthy life.
Yes.
You know, that parents sow us with or, you know, shower on us.
Right. तो बस उन्हीं moral values का I started working with people, and the goal was very simple. Always under-content, over-deliver. मतलब आप जो बोल सकते हो वो करो, जो नहीं कर सकते मत बोलो.
Yeah.
ठीक है. But eventually we were very hard working. तो starting में तो हम करते जो आ रहा है आने दो. But eventually we learned it with time, and we, I would say, हम ना जान लगा देते थे अपने काम को करने के लिए.
Yeah, absolutely. देखो, जब when you do what you love, I don't think there's anything else that is there. You know, I always believe अगर आप वो काम कर रहे हो जिसको करने में आपको मजा आता है, then how the hell are you struggling?
Right.
What is the pressure? I mean, काम आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है वो बात अलग है, पैसा आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है, but you enjoy work ना.
Yes.
Joy for working is very important. A very dear friend of mine, Amit Chawla, is a business coach. Probably
Yeah,
you would have
I know
heard
him.
him. Yeah.
Chawla.
Number one
Yeah.
business clarity coach of India. He says that joyous working. If you're not joyful when you're working, it's waste.
Yes.
Yeah.
So he's a phenomenal guy again.
Oh yeah. Absolutely. Amit, hi to you from both of
Yeah.
us from the sets.
Hi. So basically धीरे धीरे people start coming and company बड़ी होती गई, and while I was in college इतना काम आने लग गया कि I was not able to handle it myself, and धीरे धीरे टीम बन गई, स्ट्रक्चर मतलब स्ट्रक्चर तो क्या था, टीम बनने लगी, काम आने लग गया. And while I was in college, कंपनी की एक प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी खोल के we started Clicksugar, and this is the only thing I've done all my life.
You know, I am really fascinated about one thing over here. You started working in school.
Yeah.
How did parents support on that? What was their reaction to it?
यार पहले तो आई टोल्ड यू आई स्टार्ट विद एथिकल हैकिंग ब्लॉग, तो पहले तो पूछते बेटा कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर रहा, बट दे वर वेरी वेरी हैप्पी धीरे धीरे, क्योंकि डिजिटल
उन्होंने जो आपको बचपन में खिलाया पिलाया है, जो चरित्र निर्माण किया है, तो उनको पता है बेटा बिल्कुल सही कर रहा है।
बिल्कुल सही है। तो धीरे धीरे पहले तो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग समझ ही नहीं आती थी किसी को, राइट, मतलब उस टाइम पे। सो धीरे धीरे दे स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग बच्चा क्या करता है, मतलब आज की डेट में किसी को पूछो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में समझ आती है, आप 16 साल पहले की बात कर रहे हो।
हाँ, yeah, absolutely.
Right. So धीरे धीरे they started understanding, then they were very supportive.
But I'll correct you. You made a wrong statement here. आज की डेट में आप लोगों को डिजिटल मार्केटिंग बोलो समझ में आती है. Not everybody as much as you. You know, that is where you're going wrong. Because see, I'll tell you, मैं हमेशा ये बोलता हूँ, आप ना हाथ में कंचे लो, marbles, go to a crowded place, throw the marbles in the air. Half of them will fall on digital marketing consultants, and half of them will fall on coaches, wellness coach, business coach, productivity coach, spiritual coach. I could never even imagine what a spiritual coach. You have spiritual teachers, right, or discuss karne wale. But coach, I've never. I mean, like it's like Krishna on hire. Can you have that?
Very well said.
It's not possible here. How can there be a spiritual coach? You're a spiritual teacher or a master.
Right.
So that's where that's what Ravi Chopra. That is where he is, a league apart. And yeah, I'll just add that line, ClicksBazaar is a company in its own league. And they're one of the topmost companies and probably the only company in the world that guarantees clients, the return on their investment. And they say that this will work. And if it doesn't work, then we'll pay you back or something like that you have, right?
Yeah. So basically, let me take you through the context behind it. So again, इतने साल हो गए काम करते हुए, and we have worked with the biggest of the companies in various industries. You name the biggest automotive company of India, we have worked with them. The top 5 healthcare companies of India, we have worked with them. Not just India, we have exposure of working with a lot of companies from Dubai, US, Canada, UK. So ना करते करते समझ आ जब आप अपने हाथ से कुछ करते हो ना, तो you understand that process more than anyone. तो ना मतलब there's a very good thing that we follow in the office कि एक अच्छे मार्केटर और खराब मार्केटर में क्या फर्क है? आपके हिसाब से क्या है?
अच्छे मार्केटियर और खराब मार्केटियर
क्या डिफरेंस है?
Man, I'm on the news over here. See, I think for me, as a brand building consultant, if I'm not able to give clarity on what is the way ahead, I think that is what it is all about. I have to be sure about what I'm talking. If I'm not sure about it, you know what? I have never shown, of course, when somebody comes for logo designs and all, banate hain 5-6. But when somebody comes for ad campaigns and all that, I present one ad. I've never made a second, because if I'm making a second, it means I'm not sure about the first thing that I've delivered.
Yeah. So you put it very rightly. Let me just give more depth to it.
Yeah.
एक अच्छे मार्केटर और बुरे मार्केटर में as per सिर्फ इतना फर्क है कि आपको इंडस्ट्री नॉलेज कितनी है. अगर आप क्लाइंट के लिए होमवर्क कर रहे हैं, you understand the pain points of that industry and you are able to solve that with your communication, with your creatives and with your targeting, you are doing justice to the brand. Otherwise not. So now we don't work with a lot of clients. At any point, we just have probably 20-25 clients, but we make sure that those people grow 10x, grow 20x. मतलब उतना दम होना चाहिए. मतलब
उतना दम होना चाहिए.
ठीक है. मतलब अगर किसी मैं एग्जांपल लेता हूँ, most of our clients are legacy businesses.
Yeah, I was about to come to that. कि मतलब कि what kind of clients do you actually work with? I mean, I'm sure not startups, because they must be clients need to have deep pockets with the kind of things that you do.
Yeah. So basically, most of our clients are legacy businesses. पापा ने कंपनी शुरू करी, दादा ने कंपनी शुरू की, कंपनी 30 years old, 50 years old. They have established the whole offline business, but online में कुछ करना है. बेटा बाहर गया, UK गया, US गया, पढ़ के आया, तो he wants to do something. अब offline में opportunity नहीं बची, क्या करेगा? He'll come and open a new door which is online. अब ना उस लेवल की कंपनी जो 200-300-500 करोड़ का टर्नओवर कर रही है, वो किसी फ्रीलांसर पास तो नहीं जाएगी. फ्री या तो उनके फ्रेंड एंड फैमिली कोई होगा, वहाँ से रेफरेंस लेगी, या वो किसी छोटी एजेंसी के पास जाएगी. वंस दे गो टू देम, उन्हें समझ आएगी यार इतना एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं है. अब एजेंसीज कहाँ से निकली हैं? मेरी अपनी कंपनी से आई थिंक 50 एजेंसीज निकल चुकी आज तक. मतलब यहाँ से बच्चे सीखते हैं, एक एजेंसी स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं यहाँ से.
Absolutely, that happens. So that is how it grows.
तो वो किसी छोटी एजेंसी में जाएंगे, then they'll understand कि हमारा टारगेट है 100 करोड़ ऑनलाइन बिल्ड करना, ये तो 2 करोड़ भी नहीं करा पाएगा. Then they burn hands there, then they come to us. So and we don't have a business development team or no one in BD in the office. Our 100% business is purely referrals.
Wonderful.
So हमने एक को प्रूव किया, उसने दूसरे को किया, दूसरे को प्रूव किया, तीसरे को किया.
You said a brilliant thing. So we both know Mr. Atul Goswami, the executive director of BNI Delhi Central. I was sitting with him once, and somebody had come, and I was sitting. So I always tell people, you spend 5 minutes with Atul Goswami, you will get up with one saying that will work for the entire life. ये होता ही है उनके साथ हमेशा. invariably. So I was in his office and somebody just came in and was talking something, उन्होंने बात करी and all, and he just said, उनको बोला कि, okay sir, I'll help you get your first 5 clients. मैं आपको बताऊंगा क्या करना है. But please bear in mind, if your 5 clients cannot get you 5 clients each, then something is going wrong.
Yes. I'm like 100% like
And I
that.
was like, damn, that's like enlightenment, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So basically, यार, exactly. So we come at a stage wherein we are able to grow that vision कि अगर आपने 30 साल में 200 करोड़ का टर्नओवर किया है तो शायद मैं ना 200 करोड़ 30 साल में ना करके 200 करोड़ करेंगे नहीं, बट 50 करोड़ शायद अगले 5 साल में करा सकते हो डिजिटली. और वो विजन के लिए ना पहले आपको उतना बिजनेस आना चाहिए उनका, नहीं तो आप कर ही नहीं सकते. तो क्रिकेट तो हर कोई खेलता है. अब धोनी अलग है, गली में क्रिकेट अलग है.
ये बहुत ही important point है. You know, for all the people, you know, entrepreneurs who are watching this show, what kind of digital marketing agency should you hire? This is clarity on that. You know, what Ravi is telling, Ravi is not telling कि ठीक है आप 2 करोड़ की कंपनी आप हमारे पास आओ. He is not telling that. He is telling अगर आप 2 करोड़ की कंपनी हो, आप देखो जो 30-40 लाख का टर्नओवर कर रहा है, क्योंकि वो आपको संभाल पाएगा, वो 10 करोड़ का संभाल नहीं पाएगा काम.
Right.
That is what he is telling.
Right.
He is not telling that, okay, come to me and don't go to anybody. That's what
Right.
he is bringing
Yeah,
clarity
obviously,
into. And even digital marketing companies, listen to this wonderful, because I have never come across anybody with this clarity till date.
So thank you so much.
Yeah, a fact is a fact.
Yeah. So basically यार हमें क्लैरिटी हमें क्या करना है. एंड ना इंटरनेट पे गिनती की 3-4 चीजें होती हैं. या तो आप लीड ला रहे होगे, या सेल ला रहे होगे, या आप ऐप इंस्टॉल करा रहे होगे. आजकल जो न्यूजन ऐप्स कर रहे हो उसका पर्पस भी या तो लीड लाना होगा, सेल लाना होगा. ठीक है, इंडियन बिजनेसेस इस पर पूरी मार्केटिंग खत्म हो जाती है, बट आपको ये 3-4 चीजें सही तरीके से करनी आनी चाहिए. तो वन ऑफ आवर बिगेस्ट वर्टिकल रियल एस्टेट. ठीक है, तो रियल एस्टेट में भी यही कर रहे हैं. सो अब ये ना हम इतनी बार कर चुके हैं, इतने लोगों के लिए कर चुके हैं और इतने स्केल पे कर चुके हैं, वी हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस कि अगर हम किसी प्रोजेक्ट को हाथ लगाएंगे तो हम या तो उसे ट्रांसफॉर्म करेंगे या नहीं लगाएंगे. हमें क्लाइंट्स नहीं चाहिए. मतलब वी वांट टू क्रिएट केस स्टडीज, वी वर्क फॉर केस स्टडीज नाउ. ठीक है, सो दैट इज वेयर बिकॉज ऑफ द 15 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस वी से कि इफ वी आर नॉट एबल टू ट्रांसफॉर्म योर ब्रांड इन द कमिटेड टाइम, वी डोंट नीड योर मनी. एंड instead of just returning your money, we'll work free of cost till we make that happen.
Okay. And then rightfully tell them, put the buck on the table now.
देखो ऐसा और ऐसा होता है. मतलब
yeah.
not you cannot have a 100% success rate. मतलब if
नहीं,
anyone
वो
saying
हो
it,
नहीं
हो नहीं सकता. बट आई वुड से 2 अच्छी चीजें हमारे बारे में. आर एवरेज क्लाइंट रिटेंशन अबाउट 3.5 ईयर्स, जो एजेंसीज की डिजिटल स्पेस में तो नहीं होती. ठीक है, उसके बाद भी कोई जाता है तो या तो हम बहुत एक्सपेंसिव हो जाते हैं या वो इन हाउस टीम बना लेते हैं, और वेयर वी हेल्प देम. दूसरा, हमारे जितने भी क्लाइंट्स हैं, हमारा आई थिंक 80 to 85% सक्सेस रेट है, विच इज क्रेजी फॉर
Which is very good.
ठीक है, अब 15% जो लोग हैं हम जिनका काम करते हैं और रिजल्ट नहीं आ पाते, हम एथिकल उनसे फीस नहीं लेते. और सोचो किसी का मैंने 3 महीने फीस नहीं लिया, वी स्टिल कीप वर्किंग फॉर देम एंड टेक देम टू द राइट डायरेक्शन. और चौथे महीने जब वो रिजल्ट आएगा, what kind of respect will they have for us?
Yeah, absolutely.
Right? So
Yeah.
they really believe in us. And we believe in ethics. अब ये सब ना शुरू मेरे अपब्रिंगिंग से हुआ, but I have tried to imbibe that DNA in the company, in every team member. People own their mistakes.
The right value systems
right value
that you
system.
nurture, you know. So this is all I would say, you know, a great thank you to your parents.
Yeah, I would-
जिन्होंने instill करे ये values,
Right.
and you know, they get seeped in and that oozes out. You know,
Yes.
you become like a tree which will have the same kind of fruit.
Right. So every team member is aligned on these policies. The idea is very simple. Make the clients win.
Make the clients
Win.
wealthy. Wonderful.
Not wealthy, win.
Win. Wow. So on that context, I have something very special for you. You know, we live in a world which is full of challenges, which is full of so many things. We have global, you know, the climate thing going on everywhere. हमारे घर के अंदर बाहर so many things are there. And amidst all, we just don't want this to be a show where we're talking about brands. Of course, that is the entire thing. You know, brands like, you know, ClicksBazaar and brand personalities like Ravi Chopra, but also our responsibility towards what we see here, the value systems that he's imbibed with. And based on that, so I would like to gift you a plant that has been given by our gifting partner, Grow Green Wonders. He's Mr. Sanjay Tulani. So amazing, because you know the value systems you see in, you know, जो आप खाद डालोगे वही तो पेड़ बनेगा, वही फल बनेगा. और जो आप बात कर रहे हैं वो फल सबको नजर आ रहा है. So for that I would like to give that. I'll just take out the pot from this one. Remaining I'll say. So there it is. I would like to gift this to you so that it is a reminiscent of our responsibility towards nature itself. You know, because I think we can't have chlorophyll, but we can definitely have the patience like a static tree and what it does to people.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. It is after so many years that I heard the term chlorophyll.
Yeah, there you see. So the man is full of chlorophyll, right? So I'll just give it back and we can take it later. Thank you so much, team over there, and Mr. Sanjay once again for this wonderful gesture. Yeah, because that's what we're here for. He's one of the gifting partners. So, nice. So this is with due regard and respect to your parents.
What they have, I'll give it to them.
Definitely. And please, meri taraf se unko zarur pranam kiyega.
Definitely.
Right. So going further, I'll talk about a few more things. Yeah, there are a lot of feathers in your hat. The Indian bloggers meet, biggest bloggers meet. You know, you self-funded this entire thing about blogging in India. You 2 entrepreneur meets in Dubai with top CEOs. Everything self-funded, and you've been a speaker in 20 plus events. Yeah. So I'll ask one question related to it afterwards. How did you get into all these spaces? Because everybody loves to do that and be a part. So what would you advise other brand owners, you know, to how do they build their presence and how does it feel?
Well, see, it all started with gratitude. Iska objective kabhi monetization tha hi nahi. So like I told you, I started with blogging. Blogging na, us time pe it was not very new to India. Not very, a lot of people knew about it. So it helped me transform my life. And I thought ki na bahut log hi kar sakte hain. So I thought of organizing Indian Bloggers Meet in 2014, which was the first concept, wherein I made the open forum. We've invited some of the top speakers, top performers from India who traveled all the way to speak and educate the Indian audience, educate the youth about what blogging can do for them, how it can help them. It was a whole day event. It was jam full. I think 253 people attended that event. That was the first event that we did. After that, we did a couple of more events in India. So that is how it started in India. अब धीरे-धीरे again, जब कुछ अलग करते हो तो you get the visibility.
Yeah. So could I say, or may I say that this is also like a kind of strategy that you had to build your brand, ClicksBazaar Technologies?
Well, not for India.
But not for India, but definitely it was a part of the growth strategy, you know, to make yourself visible and build your image.
So, India में the idea was very simple, gratitude. India में कभी objective रखा ही नहीं. But we use digital marketing as a tool to transform my life. And that is what we are doing for others. And
and I read, you haven't, you know, आपने नौकरी नहीं करी है life में. You have never done a job and you have only been an entrepreneur from day one. How cool is that? You know, self-taught to that level.
So cool का तो पता नहीं. It is a very difficult journey. मतलब
it is.
It's a very difficult journey.
It is.
But yes, I have never done a job. It has its own advantages that you are not molded by any way. You are raw. You operate the way you want. It has own disadvantages that you need structures in place. I still have a lot of coachings going on. I have coaches who coach me. I have mentors who train me on how to become a better entrepreneur, on how to become a better leader.
So in that regard, let me ask you something. Like, what would you rate as your, you know, top 2 or 3 achievements in your business life, you know, for ClicksBazaar, like what you would have done, and maybe business or professional, business and personal सब combine करके अगर देखा जाए तो, because see, satisfaction देखो बहुत चीजों से होता है, you know. Like, you know, I love cricket, I play cricket, so it doesn't matter whether I have been able to take wickets or not. But if I've been able to stop the batsman from scoring, I always look at that.
Right.
कि अगर रन बनाने से रोक दिया ना, कहीं ना कहीं गलती करके आउट होगा. That has been the strategy, right? As a bowler, never been कि यार मेरे को आज 4 विकेट लेके नाम करना है. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता.
है.
Right.
So, for me, I think the thing that I'm really proud of is the value system we have built. Is the name that we have built for the ethics. मतलब people know कि अगर ये आ रहे हैं तो या तो सच बोलेंगे कि हमें ऑनलाइन जाना भी चाहिए, नहीं जाना चाहिए, या मना कर देंगे. और अगर हम बोल के आते अगर हम मना करें तो it's not like we don't want your business. It's not like we know it's not going to work or you're not at that stage.
Yeah.
So we are very honest.
Yeah, because you know, I think even मैं brand building के बारे में भी ये बोलता हूँ. The kind of experience that you have, or you know, or even I have, because see, I spent close to 30 years in brand building, right? We met 5 years ago also when we met for the first time, we talked about it and also, you know, you become intuitive at a point of time. You know what will happen.
Right.
So, you know, digital marketing consultants like Mr. Ravi Chopra, you know, like his company, they are your astrologers and numerologists and palmologists and, you know, vastu consultants for your brand. Because they can gauge कि भाई ये करोगे तो ये मिलेगा. You know, there's a wonderful saying.
Right.
अगर दशा सही नहीं है तो दिशा बदलो,
बिल्कुल
ठीक है। ठीक है, और अगर दिशा सही नहीं है तो दशा बदलो।
ओ भाई साहब, नॉट बैड है, वेरी नाइस।
So it's like that for your brand. We are the doctors and vastu consultants of your brand. You know,
Right.
of course, you ask your vastu consultant कि कौन सा कलर का लोगो चाहिए. That is different. But उसमें डिजाइन क्या होना चाहिए, क्या करिए. This is what we are here for.
Right.
They gauge the market.
Right.
You know, आप लोग उनको वो क्लैरिटी देते हो.
Right.
That is why, you know.
Yeah.
No, it's like, you know, and I'll just take one more minute over here. People say कि the fee part, you know.
Yeah.
Tell me something. जब आप एक नए डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, जीपी के पास जाते हैं, you pay 400, 300 fee, 500 fee. आप 25 साल के एक्सपीरियंस के फिजिशियन स्पेशलिस्ट के पास जाते हैं, फी यू गिव. टंग का जो स्पेशलिस्ट होगा नामी 4,000, 5,000. So there we have a 15, 20 years old experience, you know, that much of experience specialist. Yeah, Mr. Ravi, go on next. Sorry.
Yeah. So value system or the achievements में तो what I'm really proud of is in the last 15 years, I think हमने ना ज़्यादा नहीं तो शायद अपने क्लाइंट्स ला के 8 से 10,000 जॉब्स क्रिएट कर दी होंगी. People are dependent on the kind of work we do, the kind of scale we bring in.
And probably that's why you were, you know, also felicitated with awards like Bharatpreneur.
Yeah.
You've been a Joe Stock speaker, you know, and, you know, Swadeshi Jagran मंच पे वगैरह आपको सम्मानित किया कितनी जगह.
वही बात है, अच्छा काम को तो लोग रिकॉग्नाइज कर लेते हैं.
Absolutely. वो हार्ड वर्क का जो है ना, you know, कहाँ से आ रहा है वो उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है कि किस चीज के लिए आ रहा है. Right. So many congratulations for this wonderful feat.
Thank you so much.
And so celebrations around the corner you would have had after that, you know, and if anybody would have raised any brows, then it would have validated everything. And one thing specifically I would say, you know, parents, if you're looking at this, start believing in your children, because then they'll have the possibility to turn out and transform into someone like Mr. Ravi Chopra over here. आप believe करेंगे उनके सपनों में, you know, because mere according now, I openly say this, you know, and I'm ready to have a debate with anybody on this one, that the greatest criminals at times are our parents itself, you know. My parents had been amazing, but ये क्या होता है कि घर के अंदर ही ना वहीं पे पलता है वो वृक्ष, वो पौधा जो लगा है आपके घर में, जो प्रकृति ने लगाया है, उसको आप क्या खिला रहे हैं, क्या पिला रहे हैं, you know, that's what it is all about.
Right. So I am 100% aligned on this. अगर शायद मेरे मॉम डैड इतना सपोर्ट नहीं करते, they didn't believe in me, कि मेरी माँ ने हमेशा ही बोला मेरा बच्चा कर लेगा.
हाँ,
तो वो बस उनकी उस स्टेटमेंट को ना गलत प्रूफ कर ही नहीं सकते आप. जब माँ ने बोल दिया कर देगा तो फिर करना है.
Absolutely.
There's no other way out.
Absolutely. Actually, and okay, there's another thing, you know, success की बात हमने बहुत करी है. But there was a time, how do entrepreneurs take up those kind of challenges as a brand? You know, shutting down your business because somebody did a fraud and duped your company of over 1 crore of rupees. और 1 करोड़ रुपया बहुत होता है. 2017 में तो वो 20 करोड़ के मुकाबले था 1 करोड़. You know, if you really talk to me, you know, गुड़गांव में प्रॉपर्टी का क्या भाव है? I've never been able to buy a house in it.
Sir, again, like I told you, मैंने कभी जॉब नहीं करी, तो स्ट्रक्चर तो था नहीं. So धीरे धीरे we started growing. I had a decent team, and हमने पहली बार एक बिजनेस डेवलपर रखा कंपनी में. तो the BD, that was the only first and the last BD we had. तो again, my structures of sales, my systems, जो मुझे आता था मैंने वो सब सिखाया. He started getting clients and he started getting a lot of clients. अब प्रॉब्लम क्या थी? एक केबिन में बैठा है बिजनेस डेवलपर, साथ वाले केबिन बैठी ऑपरेशंस टीम, मैं हूँ मीटिंग्स में. तो उन्होंने आपस में कोलेट करा कि I am getting the work, you are doing it, what is Ravi doing?
Oh my God.
And so they started taking salaries from me. They kept on taking salaries, but office में a lot of times they were just doing their own work. And eventually I realized the overall clients that
बहुत देखा होते हुए. I have a very dear friend who went through. He had a, you know, वो medical travel जो करते हैं.
Medical tourism.
हाँ, medical tourism. And he got duped of around $200,000-300,000 and यही हुआ था ऐसे.
तो basically
insider trading, I don't know whether it's called that way or not.
It's just weak systems. ये मेरी कमी थी. उस टाइम मुझे आता नहीं था, अब आता है.
See, that is brilliant. I really like it the way you put. क्योंकि no, see, I have faced many failures. बहुत चीजें हुई नहीं हुई. Okay, sometimes कुछ clients ऐसे होते हैं पैसे नहीं देते. कई बार मैं प्रॉब्लम में पड़ा हूँ तो people would say यार तेरे साथ क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है यार, तू तो इतना अच्छा आदमी है. ये हो गया, कोई और आता, मैंने कहा यार गलती उनमें नहीं, गलती शायद मुझ में है, मैं ही नहीं सीख रहा.
हाँ हाँ मतलब
एंड आई थैंक ऑल दोस पीपल.
डेफिनेटली. मतलब उसके बाद वी हैव ग्रोन लाइक 10x फ्रॉम देयर एंड देयर इज नो लुकिंग. अब बीडी है ही नहीं. अब बीडी के बिना कंपनी ऑपरेट हो सकती है, उससे अच्छी चीज ही नहीं है ना.
या
सो यू लर्न विद एवरी सिंगल लेसन. दैट वाज डेफिनेटली अ सेटबैक. तो जब ये हुआ, आई डिडंट नो क्या करूं. मैं सबको फायर कर दिया. आई वेंट टू दुबई for 2 weeks. I came back. Then I started meeting all again. Clients are like brothers to me. I work with the best of the CEOs. So one of my clients is Steelbird. So Steelbird is a legacy company, 60 साल पुरानी company. तो I met Pankaj sir. Pankaj sir is the owner. तो पंकज सर से मैंने बात करी, सर 50-60 साल से कैसे कंपनी चला रहे हो, मेरे साथ 10 साल नहीं चली ढंग से. सेड कि और उनके पास ना लोग 20-20 साल से टिके हुए एथिकली काम कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
तो ये में वेरी ब्यूटीफुल स्टेटमेंट. रवि, पहले तो जितना एथिकल तू अपनी टीम में उतना इम्बाइब करना शुरू कर. स्टार्ट स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद द टीम, स्टार्ट डेवलपिंग देम एंड एम टू बिकम. उन्होंने एक टर्म दी थी, द प्रेफर्ड डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया. प्रेफर्ड का मतलब क्या, किसी को मार्केटिंग करनी, वो प्रेफर ही तेरे साथ करे और कोई करे ही ना, तो जितना मर्जी महंगा हो, जितना मतलब. तो वो चीज ना मैंने याद रखी एंड धीरे धीरे आई स्टार्टेड सिटिंग विद अ लॉट ऑफ सीईओज.
हाउ विल यू बिकम प्रेफर्ड? You know, I'll work with someone else, but I prefer that company. You know, उसका मतलब क्या है? उसका मतलब ये है कि जिस दिन bandwidth हो गया ना क्लाइंट के पास, वो दौड़ के आपके पास आएगा.
बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली है. तो उस टाइम मुझे समझ नहीं आई, बट धीरे धीरे we tried to develop that and बहुत सारी उसी से बात करी. I took a lot of coaching sessions, worked on myself, and after that there was no looking back.
Wow, amazing. And I love the authority and more the audacity with which you say, not digital marketing, we are a performance marketing company. I have never come across a digital marketing company that says we are a performance. They say we also do performance marketing, but you're the first one. Believe me, being a brand building consultant, you know, I had this long hair. So if I hold that pony, I met so many digital marketing companies and consultants, right? They would say digital marketing or hum performance marketing nahi karte. But you said, we are a performance marketing company, right? On digital space.
Yes, we are. So देखो बहुत सिंपल है. मतलब like I told you, I started this company from pocket money.
Yeah.
अब pocket money से पैसे को डिजिटली मल्टीप्लाई करके हमें यहाँ तक पहुँचना आ गया.
Yeah.
जब अपने लिए आ गया और रास्ते में ना शायद 500,000 कंपनी के लिए कर चुके होंगे, तो हमें ना ऑनलाइन पैसे का ROI निकालना आ गया. और कोई भी बंदा अगर मार्केटिंग करे ना, उसका पर्पस एक ही है, पैसे को मल्टीप्लाई करना.
Absolutely.
मतलब वो जो मर्जी ज्ञान दे दे कि हम ये करेंगे वो करें, in the end they want ROI for the money spent.
Yeah. So I'll ask one more thing आपसे. You know, there are people, like I said, कि मैंने बोला you marbles फेंको इतने पड़ेंगे. So how does one build a niche for himself or herself if they are a digital marketing company? Number one. Number two, how do clients or people who want to hire digital marketing companies make a choice?
लोग ना मतलब आपको दो चीजों से जान सकते हैं, या आपके अच्छे काम से या आपके खराब काम से.
ओके, एब्सोल्युटली.
ठीक है, अगर आपको अच्छे काम से जानते हैं तो बिल्ड अ निश फॉर योरसेल्फ. अगर आपको खराब काम से जानते हैं देन यू आर आउट ऑफ द मार्केट. तो पहले ना काम करना सीख लो. आई विल रिकमेंड एवरीवन, मतलब स्पेंड टाइम. सी मैंने ना ये जब शुरू किया था ना, मेरा बहुत फ्री टाइम था. स्कूल में शुरू किया था. स्कूल में पढ़ाई करने के बाद खेलने की जगह मैं ये करता रहता था. कॉलेज में मैं कॉलेज गया ही नहीं, मतलब जाता था, मतलब गया मतलब डिग्री करी है, बीटेक करी है, बट आई नेवर यूज्ड टू गो टू कॉलेज. मैं सिर्फ ये करता था. तो मैंने ना 5-6 साल लाइफ के सिर्फ ये करने में लगाए हैं. ठीक है, और 24 घंटे ये करता था मैं, और अपने लिए करा है पहले. तो जब अपने लिए कर लिया, प्रूव कर लिया, देन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट फॉर अदर्स. एंड इफ यू लव व्हाट यू डू, you keep on getting the latest trends, latest industry knowledge, and you want to become the industry first. मेरा पैशन ही ये है कि मैं वो केसेस उठाऊं जो इंटरनेट पे लोग कर ही नहीं पाते.
Okay, आपको नहीं मिल रहा, then come to me. You know, I started doing this a couple of years back when people would say that, you know, because price point से कई बार होता ना, I used to say, please go and shop. Keep me at the last of your preference. जाओ ढूंढो.
इसमें भी हमने एक चीज क्रैक कर लिया.
And they came.
हाँ, तो प्राइस ना पहले बड़ा इशू होता था. हमने ना धीरे धीरे क्या किया, वी स्टार्टेड फिगर आउट का निश व्हेन वी प्रेफर टू वर्क ऑन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग विद यू.
ओके,
तो देयर इज अ फी डेफिनेटली, बट वी प्रेफर टू वर्क ऑन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग ऑन लाइक.
हां, इट हेल्प्स अ लॉट.
इट्स अ विन विन, राइट?
इट्स अ विन विन.
क्या
गिव अस
गेन.
या एब्सोल्युटली. या
सो बेसिकली ट्रिकी केसेस लाइक अभी सोना में एक मॉल बन रहा है. वी आर द ओनली कंपनी, उसने पूरा मॉल इंडिया राइट के लिए पूरा मॉल में बेचूंगा ऑनलाइन. अब 400 करोड़ का प्रोजेक्ट है. एक साल हो गया है. We have already sold 100 crores worth of real estate for that particular client.
Wonderful. That's amazing. So real estate companies, you know, builders and all, if you are looking for someone to actually give you results, you have Ravi Chopra over here. Clicks Bazaar Technologies Private Limited. Please go to them and, you know, and talk to them. You'll definitely profit. I can say that. And, you know, I have something special for you. So his advice, when I said, when I asked the question, ki, what would you like to say to entrepreneurs or to digital marketing companies, his advice is WCR, which means first is work, because that is important. Pehle kaam karo. Second, take credit. Work happens. If work doesn't happen, take responsibility. So that's your WCR principle that you can add in your profile. That, we believe our principle, WCR, our promise, WCR. Well,
it's very rightly said here.
I love doing these kind of things, one-liners in between. So anyway, I had two more questions regarding, digital marketing companies, what they should do, and what entrepreneurs should do when they're seeking out a digital marketing company, and what digital marketing company should do when seeking out new clients. But before that, let's have a rapid fire, a round that we have specially prepared. So in 5 seconds, you need to answer whatever comes to your mind.
Okay. Done.
One word that defines entrepreneurship.
Hard work.
Brilliant. Keep listening to it, guys. This is experience of close to 20 years speaking in front of you. The worst thing that a brand owner could do, whether it is digital marketing or a company or a client, the worst thing that a brand owner could do.
Not trust the people doing the task.
Wow. Outstanding. These are jewels of the sun, okay? The easiest way to make a brand sell.
Create a USP that no one else is doing.
Find out where you can be different from others. The greatest offer you could make to a customer.
Get results or everything is free.
Wow. That is what you do.
That is what we do.
It's a very difficult proposition, but hats off to you. Commitment करने के लिए, my God.
बहुत दम चाहिए.
Yeah. Absolutely. Okay, number 5. The best one-word compliment you could give to your team member. Because internal team is a brand in itself.
Very difficult
It begins
question.
from there.
Rock stars.
Well, you have one sitting in front of you. Drumming, Okay. Question number 6. The place where advertising agencies go wrong.
Communication.
The art of communication. Are you listening to the voice of the customer? I always say that. All right, number 7. The best compliment you would love to hear for your brand.
Company बदल दी.
I mean, these are fabulous. Guys, can you imagine the spontaneity of the thing? Oh, I'm blown away. I'm learning so much.
Right.
Okay, so that was number 7. Number 8. The one thing you say to yourself when you wake up first thing in the morning.
आज फोड़ते हैं.
क्या बात है. Wow. आज फिर वटकी फोड़े. Something like that. All right. 9. The last thing you say to yourself when you're going to sleep.
Did I accomplish what I had planned for today?
Wow. आपको नींद आएगी चैन की कि आपने दिन सही निकाला है. Wow. Amazing. This is commitment to the fullest. And the 10th one. The greatest punchline you have ever come across or heard. Of any brand or of anything, या किसी के बोलते हुए कुछ सुन लिया हो.
हम जिंदगियां बदलते हैं.
This is the thing that you've heard somewhere and
this is our tagline.
It's your tagline. That's good. खुद में अगर विश्वास होगा, स्वयं विधाता हो.
So
hey, Manav.
At Clicksware, our tagline is transforming businesses, transforming lives, performance marketing. So we transform businesses and lives with performance marketing.
Brilliant. Thank you. This was a very, very interesting thing. Let's continue with the conversation now.
Yeah.
So finally, last one thing that I would like to ask. What is your success mantra?
See, you need to understand the impact of the work you are doing, right? हमने root cause की बात शुरू कैसे हुआ, जर्नी के बाद impact क्या create करना है. तो I really believe कि जो हम काम कर रहे हैं ना, if you do well, life of people change. मतलब मैं एक छोटा example देता हूँ. So we started working with a client. They had 2 team members 3 years back. और उनसे ना मतलब बात होती है, मैं उनके ऑफिस में जाता, थोड़ा दूर से मैं जाता नहीं था. 3 months back I went to their office. They had like 47-48 people working in the office and सिर्फ हमारा काम कर रहे थे जो हमने दिया उन्हें. So we grew that brand to that level कि they were able to scale that, and it was a proud moment for us.
So that is why you said your mantra for success, what you do impacts the people around you.
Yes, तो मतलब
ripples in time.
इतना अच्छा फील हुआ हमारा जाके, and it was not just me, it was my team. They were blown, sir हमने इतना काम कर दिया. मतलब you don't realize at times कि how much impact you are creating, and काम तो हर कोई करता है ना, काम ऐसा करो कि आपका नाम हो जाए.
You said that you live only once.
But if you do it the right way, once is enough.
Wonderful. On that note, I would like to give you our gift hamper, a second gift hamper. जहाँ पे आपने इतने स्टार्टअप्स की बात करी, लोगों ने किया. So these are some wonderful people who just collaborated for this show. You know what? It's about, you've known me for quite a few years anyhow. So this is a gift hamper from all our, from us all over here. And you have the plants already with you from our side, right? From the Great Indian Brand Show with Sudarshan R. Chittoor. And this is like, you know, Dr. Meenus is a brand. They collaborated with us, one of the gift sponsors. So it's like cosmetics and all. I use the products, they're really amazing. Then we have Arogya gluten-free foods. This is also a new brand. He researched all over India what makes it work. You know, COVID ke andar, he came alive looking at the suffering that's going on. And then you already have the plants by Grow Green Wonders. And this entire packaging is done by, you know, Sneha Verma, her company, Nature Weavers. And of course, we have a mug. So if you can, since you said coffee, maybe jaake aap hame yaad rakhoge, right? Thank you so much for being on the show. And it was a pleasure. Viewers, पता ही नहीं लगा कैसे निकल गए 40-45 मिनट. And it has been a pleasure. I never expected that it would go this long, but there's so much to talk. And I think we'll sit again next. And I really hope you enjoyed.
I loved it, sir. With you, how time passes, you don't realize.
Yeah, it's like, you know, like meets like, you know, it is something like that. So that's it, Mr. Ravi Chopra on this episode of the Great Indian Brand Show with Sudarshan R. Chittoor. Keep watching, like, subscribe, comment and share. And so please help us do that. Yeah, definitely we want to grow because I don't have time for that one, but I'll put it across as a case study that he's had the biggest ethical hacking website, blog or something that he created. And he chose to come on our show. So that's a great privilege for us, sir. Thank you so much for being over here. And definitely keep helping each other. अगर हम एक दूसरे का साथ नहीं देंगे तो हम कभी भी एक दूसरे के सक्सेस में भागीदार नहीं हो सकते. देखिए, कहते हैं सक्सेस में सब साथ देते हैं, दुख में कोई नहीं देता. राइट? आई वुड से सक्सेस में साथ देना उतना ही जरूरी है जितना कि दुख में साथ देना. यू नो, द ट्रू एसेंस इज दैट इस समय brand owners, you know, companies, they are the backbone. They drive the economy of this nation. You know, entrepreneurs, the show is for them. And if India buys from India, तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. तो आओ शो पे और जीतो भारत का दिल. Thank you so much and keep watching for the next episode. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ravi, for this one. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's rocket launching day. Right on, it's time to play. All set, ready to go. Far away to the show. Dressed up in silver suit, climbing up with gravity shoes. Buckled up to my seat, baby.